Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hello, it is Kyle at SEMA 2018. We are here in the BedSlide booth. And of course, I am nothing if not a serious journalist. And of course, we take this very seriously. Here alongside Jake. What's going on, my man?
Hey, I'm doing good.
I'm doing fantastic too. Now, I am in this product right here. This actually is the BedSlide, isn't it?
This is the BedSlide. Yes, it is.
Now, what's so fantastic about this, and correct me if I'm wrong, but this is going to be available at the beginning of 2019, right? This is No Drill.
That's correct. Available 2019, we're going to have No Drill for GM, Ford, and the Tacoma.
That is some big news, man, especially when you have a product this durable. The fact that you can just slide it in there and you don't got to be drilling nothing up.
Yeah, it's perfect. You don't want to drill into your $60,000 truck, so we've got No Drill kits.
Well, maybe you don't, but I am a gambling man, and we are in Vegas, Jake. Now, here's what I love about this. It's no drill, like you said, but also it's very durable, right? I mean, let's say something goes wrong 6 months down the line or even a year down the line, Jake, what is BedSlide going to do to make that right?
We'll make it right. We've got a lifetime warranty when you register your product.
A lifetime warranty.
We're there the whole haul. The whole haul. We'll be helping you out.
How long have you guys been around, Jake?
Since 99.
99, and you still have products out there from 1999?
Absolutely.
That's
Yeah.
when Titanic came out on VHS, Jake.
Well, that's how old the product is.
That means that you are
You're eight.
still taking care of products that came out in when I was 13 years old, Jake.
Well, the good news is we don't have to take care of those products. They're still just running. I mean, the product is durable, no hassle, not a problem.
Now, what kind of trucks can I get this no drill BedSlide in, Jake?
Your Fords, F-150, F-250, Silverado, Colorado, Canyon on GM, and then the Tacoma for Toyota.
I could transport a whole lot of stuff in this thing, right?
Absolutely. 1,000 pounds on this one. We've got a 1,500-pound capacity and a 2,000-pound capacity.
1,000 pound, that'll fit two of my ex-girlfriends.
That's a good one.
All right, Jake. Now, if they'd like to pick this up, they could do so at MidwestAftermarket.com. And, of course, if they have any questions, they can pick up the phone and give us a call. Right, Jake?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, I'm Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We're at SEMA 2018. We'll see you next time. Jake, slap me. I'm going to take a little nap. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. That's good.